this is how we Jay from Mass Communication. Now I'm again with another unboxing. I have a big unboxing. You can see in front of me I have a weapon. This is not any weapon, this is one of the best weapon from one of the best company, best brand in the world. Bosch German, one of the most durable, strong brand of weapon or other home appliances. See, the box is very big, the weapon is 34 kilo. It's very strong. Let me show you the box before cut it. Here you can see the model number of this HBA512BR0 Bosch V09. This side is the same. You can see. We show you at the front. Almost you can't see nothing. You can see the handle is here. So after cutting, you can see a little bit more. So I'm gonna use my popular knife. Here we go. Let me cut this back from here. Let's put as these so you can see the face. Here we go. So much hot today in Spain. 37 degrees Celsius. Hot summer. Here my part send me beautiful piece of wood of the metal. You can see it's a beautiful piece of wood. The cord is behind. Let me see the power cord, how it is. It will go in the weapon, you see, and this is the plug, common plug, 2 pin, nothing special. So you don't need to buy anything special. This is the machine, beautiful. More or less, this is the machine. See here, you have a LED or LCD display. You have some knob, control the heat, light, other option. Here's the temperature, 200 degree, 250, you can decide. This is, you see inside how it is. They leave me some manual. We go for it. Here we go. If you have time, you have to read those. This is hay, so it will consume some energy. So much expensive, the energy here. You have more things. You have to take this off from the middle. This one too. You see the tray here, and there's one more tray at the down. So let me go to the back side. Let me show you. Nothing special on back. Okay. Here is something as a plastic, some hole, with some instruction, click, and some other things. Other stuff. This side is nothing. It's a metal body. Find. Okay, all looks good. So guys, this is unboxing of Bosch HB7 series machine. After assembling the furniture, I will show you a little bit more. Here you see guys how it looks in the furniture. I have put this one at the middle. In a big furniture, you can see you have to have very strong furniture because this is 35 kilo almost. So look how beautiful it looks. Okay, here we go. Here is the handle. You can open. Let me show you inside. It has screws, so I tied here and here 2 screws. So it's stuck in the furniture. Here you see, put the light. See how the light is on, throwing some wind. Okay, the clock, another option. I'll think this is on. You see, put timer, other things you set up as you like. Here we go, I put plus 10. You see the heater inside, see it's getting hot, and I put minus, off. Here we go. So here you have some option, the knobs here, beautiful machine. Close as this, show you a little bit more from distance. See, beautiful. In my next video I'm gonna do a detailed review of this product. If you want, check that. So this is unboxing and bit review of Bosch weapon. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.